Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. Christmas is officially starting in my flat. I have dug out all my decorations. I'm going to rummage through them, try and split my tree decorations with my home decorations. I've got my tree up only because I done a Christmas tree swap with my sister-in-law. I've got that up just to see how big it is because it's slightly bigger than I had one last year. Anyway, yeah, so I've dug out all my decorations and I have no idea why I've decided to sit on the floor next to my radiator and my sofa to film this video because I am so uncomfortable, but yet I still think this is the right location to film this video. So I'm gonna quit my yibba jabba and get into the video. Decorations. I've got a lot of bags. So these boxes, my leg hurts. I actually got like 4 of these about 10 to 15 years. Why is that fur then? Okay, I thought I could feel fur. Yeah, so I got these like 10, 15 years ago from Argos, and I've still got them. They are so good boxes. I've got lids, and this is my tree decorations. So I like, I told you, I like to have like traditional red colour, green colour and white colour on my trees, but also mixed in with some nature, like for example pine cones. I love pine cones, and these don't know what you call them, but they're like little Christmas flowers. My mum gave me these. Well, I had these off my mum. I'm pretty sure like this one alone is like 20 years old. Yeah, and I like big ones. Oh, I like this one. I got this from. Oh my god, you make so much noise. That one I like. I got this one from Poundland. It was a set of 2. Oh, I forgot I had these ones. Look how cute these are. It's literally like a plank of wood. Wood cutting thing with a snowflake on. I like that. I think that was from Poundland as well. Oh, I used to have this as my tree topper, but this year I have seen tree hats in Home Bargains, which I'm going to try and get. But I like that one. So that one can be put aside for my tree. Easily distracted. This is the best Christmas hat ever. I got this from Tiger in Edinburgh years ago, and it's my favourite. I think it was like £1. And my ears stick out. Another bag. I am that one person who like after Christmas, after New Year, I'm like, yeah, Christmas over, and I shove everything in bags. I've even got Christmas decorations that I've had for years. I bought these like 2 years ago and I've still never used them. Only because I bought them at like 20p from Primark when they went into the sale. I like these are my favourite. Oh, is that glitter? They're fairy baubles. I've got like loads of them. Why is there so much glitter coming off that? Can you see that glitter? Anyway, yeah, fluffy baubles. I don't know why I like them so much, but they are fluffy baubles. Ooh, velvet apples. How cute are they? Oh, they've got like 2 different shades of red. My dad bought me these from Melbits in Birmingham. And I've got like old vintage bells with like drawings on. I do like the traditional gold baubles as well. Like these are like just box standard baubles. And I've got a green one. Oh, I have an owl as well. Is that an owl? Yeah, an owl. Wilko's bag. Ooh, I best be careful with these. There is such a funny story behind these. So I've got a tray, and these glass baubles, they are from Wilko's. I've got 6. I got them in the sale last year / this year, and the only reason I know that they're glass is because me, being a fan of a sale and Christmas, decided to go over. I think that was at a ridiculous price at like 10p each. I grabbed stuff, I dropped them on the floor, and I'm like, oh my god, why is this happening to me? So I called a woman over to clean it up. After she's cleaned it up, I drop another one. And I'm like, seriously? I need to like have a carer or something. And then woman comes back, cleans it up, go to the till. The person who serves me drops them. I'm like, oh my god. And each of them are smashing. I'm like, I need to get out of this shop. But yes, I've bought 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7. And this tray was like 10p as well. Bag. I got a star, which I don't think I've ever used. Got some lights. I got some more lights. And randomly in this bag, one bauble. And oh, I do like this. It's a Christmas banner. It just says Merry Christmas. But I like how like traditional it is, so that would be going up. I haven't got much, I've just got a lot of everything. And then, final bag. Oh yeah, this is what I was telling you about the other day. These are those window stickers. I must have about 25 to 50 here. I honestly don't know how many I've got like anymore. It's becoming a joke. And I'll still go out and buy them. Candy cane. I have make your own Xmas jumper. My mum got me this like years ago and I still haven't used it. I should do it. Oh, maybe a video idea if you want to see that. Thumbs up. Santa! I know him. The blow up Santa. So I've got a blow up Santa. No idea why I decided to blow it up, but that can just... Can you see it? Yeah, I know. I literally have more of these. These are the ones I have used. Pencil! These ones I like to put around my TV. I've got a leg. Snowman. These are garden ones, but I like to put them on my wall. You know, the ones you hang in trees and they go when the wind blows. Then, ooh. Why must you be so fiddly? Okay, yep, this is going to be attached more. I have a snowman, a hanging snowman with attachments and a Rudolph. Oh, I have another one. Candy cane, that is. I had these off my mother. I take after my mother. She buys things, I buy things. Ain't got a clue what I'm going to do with it, but it's pretty. I think I'm going to like hang it over my door or something. Oh my god, it doesn't stop there. How cute are these? Oh my god, I forgot I had these. Wait. I'm confused. Are they different? Wait, why is that one woman back to front and that one's a man and a woman back to front? I don't know. So, oh my god, I got these from Poundland, not Poundland, Primark like 2 years ago. I love them. If you're an OG fan who remembers these, give me a thumbs up. More tinsel. You know what? I thought I had more tinsel. I have another plate. I like to put my candles on these on my table, light them, and then I forget about them and I end up like burning things. That does happen a lot with me. My Christmas stocking. Have I got another one? Yeah, I've got 2 Christmas stockings because I like to make displays. Oh my god, Mr. Snowman! What? Why is there a tag still on this? I thought I had him on display. I don't know. Mr. Snowman. which I thought I'd actually used before, but obviously not. Ooh. I bought this a couple of years back. Oops. Bought this a couple of years back, but I forgot to put it up last year. It is a sign. It says Gangster Rapper, and it was from Primark, and it says 150, but I'm pretty sure I got it for like 20p. I've got some party poppers, which I'm pretty sure I bought for a video, which I didn't film. Don't know what I was going to do with them, but... So I have a sign, Merry Christmas, and does it still work? It does. Can you see that? It like flashes. Ain't got a clue where I got it from. And I've got some more bubbles. I like to hang these anywhere. And a little birdie. Does it still work? It's a camera one. It's like... I love it. So yeah, I've got like these coasters which I thought was pretty. Literally I buy things and I never use them. Anyway, that was my decorations unboxing, shall we call it. I'm gonna decorate my tree now and I'll just add it in here, but I'm not gonna like film the whole thing. I'll just like fast forward it through. So I went ahead and actually decorated my tree because I couldn't get the good enough angle. But yes, this is my tree. And I've stuck this little dude on top. It's the elf I got from Home Bargains, just like chilling out there with a little friend, little red robin. I've got the pine cones, another robin. Oh, and check these singular robins I got out. How cute are they? Got them from Pound Structure. Pack of 3 for £1, I think. I wanted to get a grass skirt. Haven't got one yet, so I've stuck a Christmas themed blanket at the bottom. Yeah. I wanted the what am I trying to say? The lights. I wanted them to twinkle, but it's a pre-lit tree and it's only got one mode. So I have to have them on pause, if that's what you say. I've added my own set of lights as well. Oh, these are new as well, these tinsel balls. I got them from Home Bargains, shock horror. But yeah, that is my finished tree. I love it. Especially little dude on top. That was me decorating my tree as well. So, thank you for watching. If you liked this, give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, leave me all the comments that you wish. And I shall see you in my next video. So, it's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.